Everyone, it's Libby from Meister Tarot. I'd like to acknowledge the Warramai First Nations people on whose traditional lands these videos are made, and welcome to you, your guides, my guides in the universal energies. I'm using my Gilded Tarot Royale. There's a little bit that I want to get through today, but I want to have a look at the second Boeing whistleblower. We're talking about Joshua Dean, 47 years old. He was due to give evidence, giving evidence um, in regards to he was a supplier, he was a former quality auditor for a supplier that was supplying parts to Boeing. Resigned in disgust and became a whistleblower in regards to what's happening in Boeing at the moment. Now, we know 2 of the Maxes went down due to a software problem, taking all life on board with them. But there's been a lot of extra incidences. There was one on a flight between Sydney and Auckland down south here where the cockpit, apparently the whole system went offline. There's something to be said for dials where needles actually moved and switches that go clunk instead of just touch screen. And there's been doors blow out, there's been parts of fuselage fall off, etc. Now, I did read on the first whistleblower a while back. I did get quite clearly that he was unalived by external parties. It was written off, I believe, as a suicide, but there were some things that didn't quite add up there. There was the second whistleblower, Joshua Dean. Now, what happened is I don't know whether he had any underlying conditions, but he started having trouble breathing. He was airlifted and put on a ventilator. I think it was in Oklahoma major hospital, but died a few days later, I believe. Yeah, here's the health card. I'm getting that he was a strong individual, and this happened really, really quickly. I do wonder whether something's going to come out in a toxicology report. I'm just really getting bad vibes about this, that it's not all as it appears. So entertainment only. Show me there's something that's going to come forward, not yet revealed, in regards to his passing. So, goodness, show me the second Boeing whistleblower. What do we need to know? Yeah, the authorities. The authorities are here. There'll be some information brought forward about the health. Okay, thank you. Pentacles are money, but they're also health as well. Health, protection, security, stability, morals, the practical side of things. I think there's going to be some information that is brought forward about his health. Had the 8 of Swords there that restricted his health. So show me what we need to know. Show me what we need to know in regards to the passing of Joshua Dean. What's going to come out? What do we need to know? Is there something that's going to come out? Absolutely devastating for his family. He was only young, 47 years of age. Just awful, awful, awful. Show me what we need to know about the passing of the second Boeing whistleblower. Was there something dubious? Will the truth come out? I'm just looking into blackness here. Okay. They're not showing me any image, they're just showing me black. Okay. First this card flung out at me. Ace of Cups. I'm just getting the sensation that I'm just going to put it out there, that he drowned in his own lungs. Oh gosh, eyes. But it's going to be seen. I'm drawn to the fish here. There's something that was externally involved in this, and it's going to be found out. We've got a 2-week moon cycle here. It's going to be quite emotional, overwhelming. Why am I drawn to the koi here, the fish? I'm just getting that there was something external. Okay, I don't like going down rabbit holes, but I'm going down this rabbit hole. Challenged by strengths, feminine strengths, community strengths. The strength of, is he married? I didn't look. The strength of his wife, wanting an answer to this, perhaps once she's past the grief. Gee, I hope they didn't cremate the body. I hope they really took some detailed. Okay, thank you. Oh, I'm seeing a lung biopsy being done, like a segment of lung being removed. Okay, what have we got coming up here? We've got the Magician. Well, first of all, yes card, yes card, yes card, 3 yeses. The Magician, the manipulation behind the scenes, trying to pull a rabbit out of the hat. Oh boy. And then money exchanging hands in regards to this in the past. I am not liking this at all. Money exchanging hands to the grasping figures here below. Someone was paid for this. Oh boy, oh boy. An offer being made that's being rejected. I'm wondering whether there might become information come out about Joshua Dean being offered some money and rejecting it, or this may just be didn't take what was on offer, was prepared to bring the truth forward. We've got here a plan that came to fruition, a ship that was brought into harbour in the immediate future. Drawn to the seagull here, Boeing. Oh, I'm not liking this. However, the truth is going to come out. The truth is going to come out about be careful what you wish for. Those that thought they were home and hosed, those that benefited behind the scenes. Yeah, here's my moral, financial, ethical corruption, but also it's health passed out. Right, we're going to have movement forward on this. It's going to be slow, but it's going to be undeniable movement forward. Information about the health come forward. It's going to be explosive. Information about the health brought forward, and it's going to be explosive. And lies brought to the surface and revealed. Oh my goodness, this is just We have here the moneyed oligarchs behind the scenes, the legacy, the abuse of power, the stealing, the winning at any cost. Again, Page of Pentacles, information brought forward by those who benefited. They are going to be put on public display. Lies are going to be revealed about contracts and a contract and agreement that was made in regards to this very first card, the Ace of Cups, the drowning in his lung fluid. They're going to be strung up. Oh my goodness, I am really okay. There was something that was agreed on here. Oh, okay, thank you. Getting told with this card that someone was past. I mean, if we're looking, someone was past what was used. He was sacrificed to keep this secret, is what I'm getting. I'm hating this energy. I'm getting he was sacrificed, but I think those who were involved, oh boy. So show me, will those that arranged this, there's secrets that they don't want revealed about this health. There's some insecurity going on, dealings behind the scenes. There's secrets they don't want brought out. Okay, show me. Are those that brought about the passing of Joshua Dean? Oh, I've actually, yeah, okay. Are those that brought about the passing of Joshua Dean, are they going to be found out? Again, I don't think his wife's going to let out, and this is the second one that leapt out. The secrets, so show me. Are they going to be those that brought about the passing of the second whistleblower? Are they going to be found out? Oh boy, oh boy. Yep, they are. Big yes card, but the wheel is turning here, exposing the light on the secrets that are coming forth. Yeah, there was money that changed hands in regards to this. Yeah, the contract agreement, there was, I'm not going to say hitman, but it's something was agreed upon here. An arrangement was made, and it's going to be fully exposed. In the past, we've got the Temperance card, but to me it's very much how in the past, how are we going to spin it? Crowning this reading, the energy over this reading is loss and walking away. The light of this moon has been shone on it, So there is somebody here who brought about, and I've got 3 cups spilt. Is there a third that perhaps was unalived before they brought their information forward? If you know about a third, let me know. Oh, goodness, this is awful. Families that are finding themselves entrapped in this nightmare as this information comes forward, that their partners, their loved ones were sacrificed for the sake of money. they were stopped, but the truth is going to come out and move forward on regards to this. An offer made to perhaps to keep it quiet. There's an offer made, a decision that needs to be made about which way to go forward with this information. Ending of a cycle, beginning of a new cycle. The oligarchical money, gosh, and complete and utter downfall. Betrayal, the lies, the heartbreak and grief that it has caused. I'm just getting, yes, there's going to be a paper trail that cannot be denied. It's going to be burdensome. There's going to be information brought forward to the authorities. And it may be a woman that brings this information forward. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. I don't have any words. It's going to be, when the truth comes out, it's just going to be devastating. It's just going to be, yeah, I'm just going to say the information's going to come out. I'm suspecting there was a third or there will be a third, but they will get those who are responsible, and it is the moneyed behind the scenes. Um, I have no words. I have no words for this. Okay, love to you all. Thank you.